AirPods overall are an awesome product, but that's not to say that they can't have issues. In fact, I had an issue with my brand new AirPods about 2 days into owning them. I put them both in my ears as I normally do for the morning dog walk, and nothing was coming out of the right one. So if you hold the case open next to your iPhone or iPad, a little thing will pop up showing you the battery percentage. When I did that, I had a red exclamation point next to the right AirPod. I wasn't sure what caused this, but I figured I would reset them and start over. So before I show you how, I hope you'll consider subscribing so you can get all of my future videos. Okay, let's get into it. There are 2 ways you can go about solving this, and hopefully any other issues that you may have. The first way is using your iOS device. Just go into the Settings app, then the Bluetooth settings, and delete the AirPods from your devices by choosing Forget This Device. The second is just as quick and maybe a little easier. All you have to do is press and hold the button on the AirPods case until it flashes red. For this method, make sure that the AirPods are in the case and also that they each have some charge left in the battery. You also have to have the case lid flipped open for this to work. I used the first method when I reset my AirPods and it worked perfectly for me. I haven't had any issues since. After doing either of these, you'll have to repair them to your device, but thanks to all the tech that's packed into the AirPods, that's super easy to do. It's a good idea to reset your AirPods if you're going to sell them or give them away, though I'm not sure that you should be buying used AirPods since apparently they work after being swallowed. Let me know if you've had any issues with your AirPods in the comments. Thanks for watching.